In this video, we'll show you how to log a payment on an invoice. When a client makes a payment, you can just open up the invoice by clicking on the invoice number, go to the payments button, and over here on the left, type in the payment. And you can put in a check number, cash, anything like that. And let's say they just paid $1,000. You can put a note in for the payment, hit submit. And now you can see they've paid a total of $3,600 here. And if we refresh the page of the invoice, you can see now that that's been logged in with the new amount due. Now when we close the invoice, we go back to the main project's item list. If we refresh the page, you can see now that it's updated the amount paid on the invoice for the items that are on that invoice as a percentage. You can also view this as a printout over here in the items paid view. Now there's one last place you can enter a payment for an invoice. It's in the shortcuts. And here you come down to enter payment on invoice. And in this case, you want to choose the project that you're going to make a payment on, and then you want to choose the invoice for that project. It'll tell you how much is due, and then you can just fill out the rest of the information there, hit submit. And that's a way to make a payment on an invoice without actually even having to open up the invoice.